Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will be replacing speedometer cable of this Honda Activa 3G. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that you'll have to do is, for this headlight back cover there will be 4 screws. You'll have to take them out first, and once you take out these 4 screws, there will be one more screw under your front fairing headlight. My screw was missing here, that's why the fairing came out very easily, and as you can see here there should be a screw here that also you'll have to take out before you take out the fairing. And if your bike had rear view mirrors on it, then you'll have to take them out as well before taking out the fairing. So once you take all these things out, your fairing will come out easily like this. Then disconnect all the side lights and headlight by pulling all the plugs here, and once you unplug all those plugs, your headlight fairing will be totally disconnected from the bike, and now you can work freely with your speedometer. You only have to take out this headlight fairing, and you don't have to take out any other fairing rather than that. Here I have taken out everything just to show you all guys how I am doing it. So once you take out the headlight fairing, you'll have to rotate the cap and disconnect the speedometer cable from the speedometer. Then you'll have to come down near the tire and release the speedometer cable connection by taking a screwdriver and pushing the cable out like this. So like this, the cable will come out of the slot very easily. This cable will not have any screws. I have taken out the entire tire because I have some other work to be done on this bike, but you don't have to do that. Then you'll have to take your new speedometer cable and you will have to attach it to the old speedometer cable near the tire, and you will have to tape it or tie it to your old speedometer cable to the end which is near the tire. Tie it or tape it nicely, and then you'll have to pull your old speedometer cable from top like this. If it is not coming out properly, then go down and shake the cable a little bit, and once you pull it, your new speedometer cable will pass through all those places and come out from top like this. Then you'll have to cut off the tape. Here I want to tell you one important thing. While replacing any cable on a bike, to connect the cable it is always very easy, but the passing of the cable from the interior is the most difficult part. So here you are done with the difficult part already. You have already passed the speedometer cable from the interior. Then you'll have to come near the speedometer and put the speedometer cable inside of the speedometer and tighten the cap properly. Then you'll have to come down near the tire, and as you can see here, this cable, the same way you'll have to press the cable inside, and once your cable is in position, you will hear a click sound on which you will come to know that your speedometer cable is properly in position. So if you found this video useful, then do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my new video. So till then, bye and take care.